kaya makaaapekto ito? At kung ito ba, is this something that can be taken advantage of? Ito ba, kasi it's either, ano ka lang, di ba? It's either pro or anti, very politicized and very polarized ang mga
Yes.
Pilipino. How is this gonna play out?
Well, you used the perfect word, Ma'am Ali, no? Polarization is really the order of the day. Kasi if you're not with us, you're against us. Ganun na nangyayari ngayon sa ating political landscape. Meron po tayong tatlong tenet sa pagiging isang political campaign strategist. The way to win an election is to make people laugh, make people cry, or make people angry. So, yung dalawang checkbox po, make people angry and make people cry. Parang pasok na pasok ang mga pangyayari para sa mga taga-suporta ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at para sa mga taga-suporta in general of the Duterte brand and the PDP senatorial candidates. They are now crying and they have reason to cry and they have reason to be angry. So on the short term po, definitely we can expect, that's almost a certainty, that we can expect an uptick in their support. Kasi yung core group nila, tinatawag nating core group, ma-enflame po yan, ma-empassion. Meron sila ngayong